Hi, Chuck Kogel, Director of Business Operations for Centerville City Schools. Talk to you a little bit about the Permanent Improvement Fund and some of the uses of that money. First part today we're looking at is the Centerville Football Stadium, getting that redone, cleaned, power washed, and then sealed and waterproofed as part of this project. Expect to extend the life of the stadium, number one, and number two, waterproof and prevent leakage underneath the stadium. Not just underneath for fans, but also for all the equipment, etc., that we have stored underneath the stadium. This facility is not just used on Friday nights in the fall. It is also used for track meets. It's used for our Saturday Night Live, which is the Saturday Night Lights, which is the largest cross-country meet in Midwest. In addition, it's used at Soaring Sounds, band competitions, and a variety of other events. The next one coming up is the Americana Festival in about a month, and so make sure you come out and check it out either at Americana or this fall come out and check out the Elks. Thanks.